Abapolisi aba batandikira hamayiri ibiri bari kutambura band mpaka chayi cha polisi ubwe barukuye mu rukira abantu bwanyuma yo kuhendera umushomo gw'ebiro bitano eyibatwire no batendekwa nko kubarije kurinda obusinjo mbwire bw'akaruru. Abana bwanyuma bayureko bukoryo obatwire no batendekwa nko kubarije ku bantu barwana sobwe shadingo ombwire bw'akaruru kabone 2026
shobora umukahani ya gasi
omukutendekwa okubesire mahara salama aba bayoreka nko kubarije ku bantu batera zati ya gasi amasasi okuraza umuro okubarayamba abantu nka habaho watungo buhuta hamwe na nebindi.
Police, as police, we have powers to redirect and direct demonstrators. So it is our mandate. I have my friends here in town. They normally ask you, where do you get rights? It is our constitution mandate.
We also had enhanced familiarization with processes, home equipment and consumables to reduce risks of unnecessary harm, damage and failures during field operations.
Mukuru wa polisi abwe cyanga cha Rwizi SSP Bangamba cha Alfred nagira ngo betebekanise cyo kumara okureba ngo haba kwa karuru ko businje 2026.
We are prepared. We have the equipment and the IGP is going to give us more. So we have the cheers, we have the equipment, and we have been given an assurance by the Inspector General of Police that we are going to get all that is required, including the fire tank.
Now we should let us not make mistakes. Yo kwiba karuru ko muntu omunda akakwata akakendo kakagwa muni. Ninga ni ukamwita. Omuntu nabaguze ekizimbe kye esiyona tuguze bintu bwo. Oshango tinde na bandi. Okiza kurura ngo muntu omwali yo nanda kwibira ko buru.
The people in our communities should know that we are prepared to protect them and their property. But also, as we move towards a general election, to show you that we are very prepared. This was just a mere demonstration.
Abapolisi 210 okurugumura districts mushanju hamwe na city omucyanga cya Rwizi nabo batendekirwe kandi hureji okozurwo mbyanga byona 32 ebya polisi okwetorora ihanga ryona ahabwa TV West and area Saratugusa.